At Inwari Primary School and Kabusunzu Health Centers in Kimisagara sector in Kigali City, internet has become part of life. Officials and employees say the internet is very important in all their activities.
We really need technology because we teach children about the machines they have. We, the authorities, are in dire need of internet access to send reports, to receive messages from all over the world, and to find access to information from all over the world.
Internet has simply become everything we need. When a patient checks in, from the receptionist receiving them to the insurance system, all they need is internet for anything to be done. Internet has become part of our everyday life. Some people whose daily work largely depend on internet connectivity demand that all issues related to internet be resolved. Fiber is already here, but we don't use 4G internet because they haven't done the installation yet, which means we use the internet from other telecommunication companies, and sometimes the internet crashes.
We had access to the internet, but because of the new building, there was an outage, which made it impossible for us to access the connection from Rebero Tower, which we used. It was covered by the tall building next to ours. We want to revitalize it as soon as possible because it is still very much needed at work.
The problem of internet access in schools and clinics is one of the reasons why the Rwandan government acquired a $100 million financing facility from the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank to fund Rwanda's digital acceleration project. The project will support short and long-term recovery by increasing access to broadband, selected digital public services to strengthening digital innovation ecosystem. The Minister of Finance and Economic Planning, Dr. Uziel Ndagijimana, says Rwanda's digital acceleration projects will not be limited to providing internet in schools and clinics.
The main objective of this project is to support Rwanda's economic recovery from the pandemic and to support the resilience for future pandemics by increasing access to broadband and selected digital public services and strengthening the digital innovation ecosystem in Rwanda. The project will have four main components, namely digital access and inclusion, digital public service delivery, digital innovation and entrepreneurship, and project management. This project comes to support Government of Rwanda's efforts to recovery from COVID-19 pandemic and to implement our national strategy for transformation with a focus on establishing Rwanda as a globally competitive, knowledge-based economy.
Rwanda's digital acceleration project now has accumulated a total fund of $200 million, including a recent $100 million loan from the World Bank. The additional $100 million from the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, signed on Thursday, will be repaid after 5 years at an interest rate of 0.5% over the next 35 years. Reporting for RwandaTV News, Athan TASHOBYA.